Hi, my name is Christopher Larson. I'm a Master Arborist with Robson Forensic. I have over 25 years of experience in arboriculture and urban forestry. I hold the International Society of Arboriculture's Board Certified Master Arborist credential and a Bachelor of Science degree in urban forestry from the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point. My career experience spans employment at 2 municipalities, 2 park districts, 2 commercial tree companies, and 1 commercial landscape company. My responsibilities have ranged across the spectrum of arboriculture and urban forestry, from basic and technical field operations to administration, management, and consulting. Performing tree work is statistically one of the most dangerous occupations. Given this reality, I've always taken my job very seriously. Whether it's performing tree work, supervising other workers, or assessing a tree for potential safety needs, safety was always job one. Adhering to standards is a mark of professionalism, and it helps bring arborists home at the end of the day. Throughout my career, I continued to seek out credentials that were informative and relevant to the work I was performing, and that training has kept me safe over the years. I really specialized in arboricultural work, but my Bachelor of Science degree in urban forestry was the foundation that helped me effectively manage trees and vegetation within an entire community for nearly 13 years. I orchestrated tree maintenance, tree risk management, and insect and disease management plans for my municipal division of environmental services. My endless curiosity and eagerness to help people and trees has directed my compass to expert work. My forensic investigations allow me to explore the extremes of the relationship between people and trees while helping clients reach solutions to their tree cases. My broad knowledge, training, and experience in arboriculture and municipal forestry help me address the many aspects of forensic tree investigations and tree expert casework.